The Dirt Ebike 2000 watts is equipped with a powerful 1500-watt motor, allowing it to reach exhilarating speeds up to 32 miles per hour, making it perfect for both urban commutes and off-road adventures. With its robust 48-volt 12.5 ampere-hour battery, this bike can cover an impressive range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, ensuring you can travel long distances without frequent recharging. The bike's 16-inch by 4-inch fat tires and dual suspension system provide excellent stability and comfort, enabling you to navigate through various terrains such as snow, sand, and wet roads with ease. Designed for rider comfort, the bike can support individuals weighing up to 331 pounds and features a customizable saddle and handlebar for an optimal fit. The Dirt Ebike 2000W requires minimal setup time as it arrives 90% pre-assembled, allowing you to start your adventure just 15 minutes after unboxing. Backed by a 12-month warranty and lifetime technical support, this bike ensures reliability and peace of mind for all your journeys.